One number completely changed the way I trade: 73%. That's roughly the amount of time profitable traders spend doing nothing. Not analyzing, not clicking buy or sell, just waiting. While struggling traders constantly jump in and out of the market, the most successful ones often sit on their hands. And today, I'm going to explain why patience isn't just helpful in trading, it's your financial survival tool. The hidden power of patience in the market. Most retail traders believe success comes from constant activity. They chase every green candle. They panic at every red one. They feel like if they're not trading, they're missing opportunities. But professionals see the market differently. They understand that the market doesn't reward speed or hyperactivity. It rewards precision. Think about it. In what other profession does doing less often produce better results? Why our brain works against us. The real problem isn't the market, it's human psychology. Our brains evolved thousands of years ago in dangerous environments. Back then, hesitation could mean starvation or death. So our brains became wired for immediate action. But in financial markets, that same instinct becomes dangerous. The impulse to act quickly, the fear of missing out, the urge to constantly do something. Those instincts destroy trading accounts. The cost of impatience. Impatience acts like an invisible tax on traders. Every time you take a trade that doesn't meet your plan, you're paying that tax. Think about two traders. Trader 1 takes 20 trades a week, many of them average setups. They risk 1% per trade and expose a huge portion of their capital to low-quality opportunities. Trader 2 waits patiently and takes only a few high-probability trades. Even with fewer trades, the second trader often ends up with better results and far less stress. Why? Because every trade has costs: spread, commissions, slippage, emotional fatigue. The more you trade, the more those hidden costs eat your account. What patience actually looks like. Here's something many beginners misunderstand. Patience doesn't mean being passive. Professional patience is active waiting. Imagine a sniper. They may spend hours observing the environment, watching, studying, preparing, but when the moment arrives, they take one precise shot. Trading works the same way. During the waiting period, professional traders are studying market structure, watching multiple time frames, tracking news and economic catalysts, preparing trade scenarios, updating their trading journals. They're not idle, they're preparing for the right moment. Why the patient trader wins. There's a famous quote from Warren Buffett: "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." And this isn't just philosophy, it's math. Patient traders tend to take higher quality setups, experience smaller drawdowns, maintain stronger emotional control, and preserve their capital for real opportunities. Over time, these advantages compound. The addiction to action. Modern trading platforms are designed to keep you active. Flashing charts, one-click trading, constant price updates, all of it pushes traders toward impulsive decisions. To succeed, you need something most traders lack: the ability to tolerate boredom. Successful traders become comfortable during quiet market periods. They understand that no trade is often the best trade. Practical ways to become a more patient trader. If you want to build patience in trading, start with a few simple rules. 1. Define clear setup criteria. For example, key support or resistance levels, trend confirmation, volume confirmation, minimum risk to reward ratio, like 2 to 1. If those conditions aren't present, you simply don't trade. 2. Track your discipline, not just profits. Measure things like: did you follow your trading rules? Did you avoid impulsive trades? Did you wait for proper setups? Short-term profits can come from luck, but discipline leads to long-term consistency. 3. Understand market behavior. Markets spend most of their time moving sideways. Only a small percentage of the time do they make strong trending moves where real profits happen. Impatient traders burn their capital during the slow periods. Patient traders wait for the real opportunities. The bigger benefit of patience. Interestingly, patience in trading often improves other areas of life. You become better at making long-term decisions, controlling emotions, avoiding impulsive choices. Trading discipline slowly becomes life discipline. The real edge in trading. Today's markets are full of powerful technology. Algorithms analyze data faster than any human ever could. But there's one advantage algorithms don't truly possess: patience. A disciplined trader who can wait, who can ignore the noise, who can act only when conditions are right, that trader will always have an edge. Closing. Your success in trading isn't determined by how many trades you take. It's determined by which trades you choose to ignore. Because in the end, the market doesn't reward the fastest trader. It rewards the most patient one.